Laneige Water Bank Moisture. Oh, that was backwards. So I've never even heard of this. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's that time again. It is IPSY time. So I got my June IPSY a couple of days ago, so it's a little late for the video, but I do have it and I'm going to go over what I've received for this month's IPSY. The bag looks like this and it is a play on Tetris. I love the zipper because it has that little Tetris blocks, so that's cute. The bag itself is really nice. It's just simple. And it does say Tetris right here. So let's go ahead and see what I got inside. Also, if you like this look, and I hope you do, it is my summer look with faux freckles, and I will have a video for it out soon. And if I already have it out, I will leave a link to it up here. Please go check it out. I really like how it turned out. I hope you guys do too. I know the earrings and the bow and everything is a little too much, maybe, I don't know, but I like it. I hope you guys go and check that video out if it's out already. If not, hold on, it's coming. So the card this month looks like this, and it says welcome to the block party, which I think is very appropriate title for summer and for Tetris. So they're basically saying that they have teamed up with Tetris to create an exclusive makeup collection. So everything is nice and bright and Tetris themed, and it looks like these are some of the things that they have created with them, some lipsticks and blushes or eyeshadows. So let's go ahead and see what I got and what I have that is Tetris, because I believe they're giving everyone something that from the Tetris collection. So the first thing I do see in my bag is from the Tetris collection, and it is a lip gloss. So let's see what color it is. The packaging was really cool. So it has those little blocks and different colors. So that looks really nice. Have you guys ever played Tetris? I mean, I've played it so many times. You get so hooked onto it. It is definitely a good game to pass time, but I haven't played it in a very long time. So this is the lip gloss that I got. It has a really cool packaging, and the color looks like it's a lip topper. So it's like this gold shimmery color right there. I don't know what kind of swatching that was, but gold shimmery. Oh, and it smells good. It smells like a cookie or something. But yeah, so it has like a gold-ish kind of a tint to it. So I'm gonna try and put it over this lip. It does give it a nice little glow to my lips, which I really like because my whole look has a nice glowy feel to it. A little bit more. So it's definitely a lip topper. It gives you a nice glow to your lips. You can put it over obviously any color. I really like the glow that it's giving my lips. I'm sure if you just put it on your lips on its own, it still looks really nice. So I really like that, and it's really great for the summer. It goes with my look, so I'm happy with that. The next thing I see is this banana setting powder from BELLÁPIERRE. I think that's how you say it. BELLÁPIERRE, I think. So banana setting powders are great for my skin tone because it does have like a little bit more of a tint. So it's really hard to take this little plastic thing out so I can show you the color. And my nails are really not helping. Oh, I got it. So that is the color for that. And I think that's a good color for me. But, you know, I use my Huda Beauty powder in Blondie. So I guess they're almost the same color-ish. This one I think is a little bit more yellow. But yeah. So I think I can use this. I'll try to use it for one of my videos. Next I have this Laneige Water Bank Moisture Cream for normal to dry skin. So it is just a moisturizer. I'm going to put a little bit on my hand to see how moisturizing it is. It is a thicker cream. It smells good. But yeah, it's supposed to be hydrating, and it feels hydrating so far, but I will try it out to see how it is. Next I have this. It says it's Vita 12 by TONYMOLY. It is a jelly cleanser. I've never heard of this before. and it says 1 drop for glow skin. So it does say to wash your face, take an appropriate amount and fully lather. Gently rub the face in a massaging motion and wash off with lukewarm water. It's a face cleanser, but it's with vitamins, so that should be good. These items are really, really great for good skincare, so that's good. I like skincare items because, you know, good skincare is always the first step to looking great, right? Last but not least, I have this NEUMA spray. I think it's like a leave-in conditioner. It just says a leave-in protectant, and it's supposed to help your hair to be detangled, to add some shine to your hair, to tame frizziness. Also, you can spray this on your hair while it's damp before you style, and also you can spray it dry right before you use your hot tools for extra protection from the heat. But that's interesting. I've never heard of this. Let's give it a little smell. It smells good. It's a familiar smell, but I don't know what it is. What is it? Yeah, I can't think of it. I don't know. But these are a lot of stuff that I've never heard of before, so I am very excited to try these out, especially this, because I want to see if it does do anything for my skin overall. But yeah, so I'm going to try these out and see how that works. And I do like the banana setting powder. I'm glad I got banana because that'll go with my skin a little bit more. And I am really happy with this as well because it's giving my lips a nice glow. So that is the Tetris makeup. So there's a few things that IPSY has with Tetris. So if you are interested, go check that out. Also, if you're interested in getting your own IPSY, I will leave a link to it in my description. You can go and check it out. It's only $10 a month and you can get really, really cool items that you've never heard of before or things that you want to try out. But they will ask you a bunch of questions. You can just answer those and it'll kind of help them to know you better as to what you like to receive in your bag. But yeah, that's it for my IPSY. I'm really happy with everything I got. I hope you guys liked it as well. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment letting me know if you have tried any of these products or what product you would be excited to try. But yeah, so other than that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon so you get notified every time I upload. I thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye! IPSY's really trying to get me summer ready and I'm so here for it.